Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and today inshallah I got a nice recipe for you all, a lot of people's favourite, Gulab Jamun, and inshallah I'm going to get straight into it without wasting any time. So I'm going to need 4 cups of water for this, and I'm going to start the syrup first. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So that's 4 cups of water in, and I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Bismillah. And 8 to 10 cardamom split. Bismillah. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a mix, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it to low heat, put the lid on and let it simmer until the sugar's dissolved and it's got a bit thick, the syrup has. While the syrup's getting ready, I'm going to start the dough for the Gulab Jamun. So for the Gulab Jamun dough, I'm going to need 1.5 cups of milk powder. Bismillah. So that's 1.5 cups of milk powder. Half a cup of plain flour. Bismillah. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Once I've added them 3, I'm going to give it a mix so the milk powder, the plain flour and the baking powder is mixed. So I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Bismillah. And I'm going to put half a cup of milk. Bismillah. That's just normal milk, that is. Room temperature milk. And I'm going to give that a mix now. Bismillah. You want to make a nice dough. Until you got it nice and doughy like this. Bismillah. And then you can use your hands now because it won't stick to your hands. See? Bismillah. Look at that. It's not sticking to my hand or anything. If you start sticking to your hand, add some more butter. And if it's too thin, add some more milk powder or plain flour, about a tablespoon of each inshallah, until you get it right. So I'm going to make round balls now, about a marble size. Bismillah. Like that. Okay guys, now this has been simmering away, and the sugar's all dissolved, and I'm going to add some rose water, about 3 tablespoons of rose water. Bismillah. As soon as I've added the rose water, I'm going to turn it off now. Bismillah. And put that to the side. Bismillah. And let that cool down a bit. We can warm it up towards the end when we need it. And your Gulab Jamun, you need to get them all about that size. You can have them any size you want, but if you make, they're going to puff up as well, you see. So they'll be double the size or even more probably. So you don't want them too big to start off with. These are about the right size, I would say, but it's up to yourselves. So I'm going to deep fry them now. So the oil's on medium heat. And when the oil's warm enough, I'm going to start dropping them in and deep fry them. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Just drop them all in. So I've got it on a medium heat and they're starting to pop up now. See them popping up? The Gulab Jamun have all come to the top now. See how they're puffing up as well now? So you're going to just stir the oil underneath, and the Gulab Jamun will move about themselves. Don't worry about them. I'm just stirring them gently. I'm more moving the oil than touching the Gulab Jamun. Just cook them on low to medium heat and cook them gently until they come out a nice colour, the colour that you like. And these are a nice colour now. I'll probably just cook them for a bit more, but they're nearly done now. Just a bit more, not too much. But like I say, you can have any colour you like. And the syrup I made, I let it go a bit cooler, so it's not cold, but it's not hot. It's got to be warm. MashaAllah, look at them now, look at the colour on them. They are ready now. And I'm going to put them straight into the syrup now. Bismillah. And the syrup's still warm. It's not boiling. You don't want it boiling. And you transfer them all to that. Bismillah. And you just push them slightly, not too hard, so they're all underwater. So they're all in that, soaked in that syrup. So now I've put them into that syrup now and pressed them down a bit so they're all soaked in, and I'm just gonna put the lid on and let them soak in there for about 40-45 minutes. Okay guys, they've been soaking in the syrup now for about an hour. So I'm gonna take them out, transfer them to a bowl, and then I'll show you. Bismillah. MashaAllah guys, the gulab jamuns are ready. I'm just going to put some syrup on it. That syrup we got ready. Bismillah. And I'm going to sprinkle some dried coconut powder on it. Bismillah. Look at that guys, beautiful colour on them. MashaAllah. And I've tasted one. I've tasted one in advance and it's MashaAllah, they taste great. Okay guys, MashaAllah, thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.